So here's how you can make money on Autopilot using cryptocurrency copy trading. Without further ado, I'm of course the most open-minded investor / NFT artist
on YouTube with a diverse appetite for risky asset classes ranging between shopping centers and shitcoins, but not government bonds, creating contact-led, family-friendly, cookie-accepting, cat-free, technical specialized tutorials and guidelines to harness the generational wealth transfer found in crypto trends. And last, as a believer of Jesus Christ and a fan of Gary and an extremely well-educated and multilingual Korean opera with hair naturally curlier than the average male and highly coveted by many moms with daughters, also known as Humble Kim.
And today we're jumping into copy trading through this wonderful exchange called Bitget. There's other exchanges that offer this as well, but this exchange is one of the easiest exchanges that I was able to navigate. And these are some of the gains that you can make, guys, on a daily basis. Now, before you jump to conclusion and say there's no way you can quadruple your account every day with these kind of percentages, well, you are right, because the trading strategy here is quite different. But with some small amounts of money, you can actually profit in the hundreds of dollars every day. It's reasonably possible to do. And of course, that is not going to be everybody's outcome, but if you understand how it works, this is something that you can enjoy. So let's jump right into it today, guys. I'm on Bitget. Of course, the link is in the description below to sign up to this exchange. There's a lot of scams out there, so you better be safe to actually jump into the exchange link that I have set up below. And of course, you get some extra bonuses by signing up with the link in the description as well. Guys, jumping into Bitget, these are basically the traders that trade cryptocurrencies on futures. They do it every day. And these are some of the potential gains that you are able to make from it. By clicking into each of these portfolios of people, I'd say traders, master traders, you can see what kind of cryptocurrencies they're trading, what kind of rates they're making on a daily basis. Track it back to their last month to ensure that their returns are consistent. So their daily return 200%. Obviously, the futures trading strategy works so that you don't actually risk all your fund at the same time. So the small positions that they enter into, these are the gains that they're clocking in every day. So with a $10,000 account, they're only investing like $100 margins and stuff like that. If you don't really understand how like short trading or margin trading works, or futures trading works, or futures positions work, and how they're different to spot trading, I will be making a video on that very soon as well. But these are very much possible to do so. What they're doing is that, they increased their position to $100,000 in the last 7 days. It looks like this particular account isn't doing too well because it's over time losing small amounts of money with, I guess, some positions that are in the negative. So if you look at like the orders, this is their history. They've made some big losses, but they've also made some gains. But you want to avoid these guys here, but keep an eye out on some of the better traders that actually are working off of good trading methods, and obviously people who are able to trade rationally as well. So you can actually range them by ranking followers, ROI, total P&L, copyist P&L, and AUM. I feel like copyist P&L and AUM are good indicators to look for as well. So if we look at this particular trader too, we can see all of their returns, and of course how the income has been increasing in the last 7 days. Looks like he's doing super duper well. Look at this account as opposed to the account previously. They do have some bad days. So let's have a look at their orders in the last 15 trades. All activated on the 20th of June. They've all been extremely profitable. Obviously, you want to backdate that as far back as possible, but there are in some active trades that are looking pretty sorry as well, which is a bit unfortunate. However, we are looking at them managing their positions in the last 7 days. They haven't got a single losing trade, and in the last month, they haven't got a single losing trade. So maybe they're using a dollar cost averaging process to do it. And of course, they are trading very consistently over the last month, with some of the recent weeks being a little bit higher in volume, which means that they are doing a lot of dollar cost averaging strategies as well. You will definitely learn a lot more about trading with this one as well. The minimum that you can follow per trade is $10 USDT. And the way you would do that is just go and find someone that you want to follow, press follow, press I have read the agreement, press confirm, and then just type in follow mode, and 10 is the minimum, and that will just get you started, and then copying all the open trades, and of course the time that they close out on the positions as well. So do have a go at exploring all of these guys. Have a look at each metric. If you have any questions, do leave them in the description below. But it is really important that you go into the order section and track back their earnings so that you can then decide for yourself, is this a lucky trader or is this a skillful trader? So the link is in the description below. Make sure you go to Bitget. That's where you can do this from. And look, only risk amounts of money that you can afford to lose. I have seen great results that come out of this from my people. And of course, the best thing for you to do is actually understand how to futures, how to do trading on your own, and how to understand charts and things like that. And so with more of that, please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can stay updated with the latest, the fanciest, and the most profitable in crypto. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.